I would like to share how we can test MQ2 Gas Sensor and Arduino Uno that we're going to have LED output and a buzzer output. So first we're going to use Arduino Uno here and MQ2 Gas Sensor, and this is buzzer and LED. This is a 5mm LED, and we're going to use breadboard and some jumper wire. So we're going to make the wiring first. So this is a mini breadboard, and I'm going to use mini jumper. This is to have the ground wire. So one LED, this is the positive pin, and the short one is the negative pin. So negative we connect to the jumper here, and positive we goes to this side, and a buzzer. So some of the buzzer they will indicate here is plus, this is positive pin, and basically this the longer pin, this is positive, and the short is for negative. So positive and negative. The short pin negative we connect to negative here, the jumper wire here, and this side is positive. Alright, so they share the negative wire. So from Arduino, the ground we connect to the ground here, so that they link. So the ground of Arduino they will connect to this the ground here, and the ground P we share LED and a buzzer, and I'm going to use pin number 9. This is the pin number 9 will connect to buzzer positive here. So make sure that we connect in the correct pins. Alright, so this is correct. So this is the pin number 9 to buzzer, and this is the pin number 8 to LED. So this is for the output, and this is sensor, gas sensor. So basically there is a 4 pin here. One is a VCC, ground, digital pins, and analog pin. But here we're going to use analog pin. So first a VCC, and the ground, and A0, this analog pin. We didn't use digital pin here. So VCC will connect to 5V, and the ground we connect to down here, and A0 will connect to A0. Right, so wiring, this is A0, this is ground, and this for VCC. VCC will connect to the 5V here. Right, so the wiring is complete, and let's upload the code. So that we can see here is the power on. So we open Arduino IDE, and here's the code. So we select Arduino board here, right, and the comps, then we upload the code. So done, upload the code. Here. So let's check. Now our code is already uploaded. So inside the code you can change the threshold. So my gas threshold is 50. So 50, once the gas threshold is more than 50, then the buzzer and LED will active. So this thing is depends on your requirements, you can adjust the gas range here. Right, so this is 0, we use A0, and LED is digital pin A, buzzer is digital pin 9. Okay, this is LED output, buzzer output, and this is sensor is input. This is for to communicate the Arduino and our computer. So here the gas value. So if the gas value is bigger than the threshold setup, then LED and buzzer will be active, will be high. Otherwise, else LED and buzzer is remain low. Right, so delay is 1000 milliseconds. Okay, so let me try with my lighter. So now my gas threshold is 50. So once the gas is more than 50 threshold, then LED and the buzzer will be active. Let me check. Right. So the sounds and the buzzer light, the timing you can adjust from here inside the code, and now it's 1000 milliseconds. If I change to 3000 milliseconds and upload again, alright, so now the buzzer and the LED light will be turned on more longer, 3000 milliseconds. Right, so depends on your requirement, then you can adjust the threshold and you can adjust the time. Alright, so this is very simple. And if you want to control like the height loop, or just like the fan, or just like a motor or the AC light bulb, you need to replace. Instead of a buzzer, you can add relay. So from the relay you can set the output like the light or the fan or anything. Right, so this is a very simple, and I hope you understand. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching my video.